Welcome to our channel. Deleting your Twitter account permanently requires careful steps. Here's how to remove your account and all associated data. Step 1. Log into Twitter using your username and password. Use the web version for account deletion. Step 2. Click on More options in the left menu, then select Settings and Support. Step 3. Choose Settings and Privacy from the expanded menu options. Step 4. Navigate to your account section and click on Deactivate your account at the bottom. Step 5. Read the account deactivation information. Twitter keeps your data for 30 days before permanent deletion. Step 6. Click the red Deactivate button. Twitter will ask you to confirm this decision. Step 7. Enter your password to verify account ownership and prevent unauthorized deletion. Step 8. Confirm deactivation. Your account enters a 30-day grace period where you can reactivate if needed. Step 9. Avoid logging in for 30 days. Any login during this period cancels the deletion process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.